Heya Lego builders, here the Cactus. This is the official Lego bus bomber from Lego Sonic set The Tornado. Honestly, I love this set, and you will see it again in a next video. But first, I really wanted to improve this Batnik, cause honestly it don't look so good. This guy is permanently on his attack pose. I cannot move it. I cannot move it in any way. The face looks a bit weird and blocky, but I really like the tits. And have display feature, where you can put apart this transparent dome and free this little flicky. Honestly, I like display features in all the Batniks of the Sonic sets, but that make them look so bad and ugly. Just compare the Arias motorbug with the newest. Looks so weird in comparison. I think the wings are okay, but I think that Lego really need to make more translucent and transparent pieces. Also, I'll make my version in this blue that I call normal blue, cause technically that's his original color. I don't really know why since Sonic Generations, SEGA started to make the classic characters lighter than the original seen in classic games. I mean, definitely looks darker than the official render. This happened to other characters like Metal Sonic, but especially in Batniks. I think Lego fixed that on the newest sets. The exhaust is literally the same of the motorbug, so I'll make the design as the idea set. So let's see the final results. This is my version of a better Lego bus bomber. I know that many YouTubers had made a custom design too, but I really wanted to make my own design. I love this result, looks better than I thought. And it was hard to make it, by this round piece. I didn't have of this, so a friend gave me this piece just for this. I reused parts and pieces from the Rhino, like the wings and the antennas. I don't know if it's a correct translate, but also I think on this idea if you like. I really wanted to make it the most similar to the style of the idea set, but maybe it's a bit bigger in comparison. At least have the same exhaust design. But now can change the normal pose with the attack pose. Unfortunately, I cannot find a way to connect this bar to his back. The only way that I think to place it on a build is to connect to a bracket or a snot brick. For the stinger, I make it with this cylinder piece. Others make it with this balloon piece, but I prefer this option. And there's a drill piece, but I already used in another build and I prefer this silver cone. For the face I used these eyes that are in common in sets of classic, these yellow boxes, and these mixels too, and I used the original tits too. I had the option to make it more similar to the motorbug using this sticker face, and maybe his antennas design, but I don't like it. Maybe if it was smaller, but I think this looked better. but if you build it, you can choose a better option for you. And speaking of that, let's see how to build it. So I think it's all for this little mug. I let you with these cool shots. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you can like the video. See you next time, and always remember to smile.